Buckle up, space enthusiasts. Today we're diving into why snoring in space is virtually impossible. Yes, you heard that right. In the vast expanse of the cosmos, even the loudest snorers find peace and quiet. On Earth, gravity pulls down your tongue and throat tissues, causing partial airway blockage. But in space, zero gravity changes everything. Those tissues don't get pulled down. In microgravity, your airways stay clear and open, eliminating the usual snoring culprits. No blocked airways mean no snoring. Imagine floating in your cozy sleeping bag, surrounded by the infinite cosmos, and not a single snore to disturb the peace.